Hi, we are going to see in this tutorial how to export data directly from Revit to Hap. Now I want to insert the AutoCAD drawing to draw the spaces in Revit. As you can see, this building consists of three typical floors: ground, first and second floor. I'm going to draw the ground floor and duplicate it. First step, let us draw the levels. First of all, I will start with the exterior walls. Just make sure when you want to draw the exterior wall, you choose exterior. Why? Because in Hap, it reads the exterior wall as exterior and interior as partition. The height, it will be up to level 2. Base constraint level 1. Okay, we will start the drawing. You don't have to worry about the properties of the wall because this we can change it later in the Hap program. Okay, now let us draw the interior walls. Let us now define the spaces of each floor. We will start with the ground floor. Go to Analyze, choose a space, and before you start, make sure that the upper limit is level 2 or you can keep it level 1 plus limit offset 3 meters, so this will be enclosed between level 1 and level 2, or you can select level 2 and put the limit offset 0. Go to space name and try to choose name that you can easily find it in Hap. Space type, choose the type you want. Area per person 10 square meter, okay. Lighting load density around 12 watt per meter square, it's okay. Power load density 5.8 watt per square meter, I will keep it same. Occupancy schedule, you can change it. As you can see here, the occupancy is maximum during night till 6 a.m. and from 5 p.m. it will increase again. I will keep it same, it seems okay. Lighting schedule, lighting will be maximum during night also. Daytime the people will be at work, so lighting is minimum, I will keep it same. And start tagging. I'll do the same on the first and second floors. Go to orientation, choose true north, so now after I export the data from Revit to Hap understand that this is the north direction. Now after I finished, I will go to view 3D. You have to select the 3D view in order to export the data as GB XML, which will be read by Hap. These are the spaces. You can see the area of each space. Height. You can define outdoor requirements. Lighting is defined. Occupancy is defined. If you remember, we defined 10 square meter per person. Walls, you can change the type of the wall. I'll keep it same. Windows, I'll keep it same also. Roof, there is no roof for ground floor. What we have to change also, floor, we have to put floor slab floor on grade instead of floor above conditioned space. Partition, I will not consider the partitions because I'm going to size the whole building for central cooling purpose. So you have to change for each space only the fresh air requirements and the floor. You have to put it slab floor on grade. Okay, I will do the same for all. After I finished all ground floor spaces, now on the first floor just I have to change the ventilation air requirements if I need. Nothing to change here because first floor it will be above conditioned space, which is ground floor. Walls and windows all are defined. And we'll do the same for all first floor spaces. Now for the second floor, I have to define the ventilation requirements for each space. Plus, I have to define the roofs. Now after I did the simple modifications on all spaces, I'll go to systems. We will define our new system.